In the menu, press the Settings button. Then press the Change Blade button. Press the Change Blade button again until it turns blue. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press the Cut buttons to cycle the blade down. Turning off the power, remove the last hex screw. This will allow the blade to retract, and the screw will not be accessible once it is up. The next step is to loosen all of the pressure set screws at the top of the blade. Turn the power back on and press Reset to cycle the blade up. Remove the two screws in the open U-shaped channels. Next, install the blade removal handles into the U-shaped open channels in the blade assembly. Make sure that your hands are always away from the blade. With the handles secured, remove the final hex screws Loosen the handles slightly so that the blade will naturally fall and is easily removed. Carefully insert the blade into its protective sheath and remove the handles. Install the handles into the second and second last holes of the bottom row of the new blade and carefully remove the blade from the sheath. Carefully insert the blade into the channel. Make sure that the blade is as high as it will go before tightening down the handles, and make sure the blade sits above the edge of the clamp. Next, replace the hex screws in the first, third, and fourth openings. Make sure that they are tight before removing the handles. Remove the handles and replace with the remaining hex screws. Turn the power on. Press Reset. Go to the Change Blade settings and then loosen the first set screw. Cycle the blade down so that it cuts the sheets of paper. If one half does not cut, then there is an issue with the blade pressure. Loosen all of the remaining set screws to allow the blade to naturally fall into position. Next, remove the cover Next, return the last screw into its spot. However, do not tighten it down all the way just yet, as you are about to make an adjustment to the blade pressure. If the blade pressure is uneven, slightly tighten the set screws at the top of the blade assembly until the blade pushes all the way through the paper and cuts evenly across. Satisfied with the pressure, tighten all of the hex screws and restart the machine. The blade is in its up position. Do not forget to tighten the first screw. When satisfied with your adjustments, power on the machine and press Reset. Press the Settings button and then the Change Blade button. Initiate the change blade procedures by pressing the cut buttons and cycling the blade down. Press the reset button to return the blade cut counter to 0. Please refer to your operator's manual or contact your local dealer for further assistance.